Friday means it's BNSN Pathshala day, and Kunal said yesterday he has something more exciting to tell us. And Kunal?
Thank you, Sheryl, for that. And today the topic for the discussion is an addendum to what we discussed last week, the high tops and high bottoms. Today we'll be discussing lower tops and lower bottoms. Now in technical analysis, we always say that beauty of the charts lies in the simplicity of analysis. And that's why the charts over here, which we'll be discussing on this lower tops and lower bottoms, is very, very interesting. And it'll probably throw a perspective of how do we actually try and figure out start of a trend as well as an end of the previous trend. Now this is a very simple way to look at the charts for lower highs and lower tops for any kind of an asset class. When an asset class goes into a correction mode, bounces back, this bounce is unable to surpass the previous highs, and then you see a second round of correction which is a lower low compared to the previous low. So this pattern overall is what we call as a lower highs and lower low pattern for any kind of a stock or an asset class. Now we look at a couple of examples over here. The most recent one, and rather the more prominent one, was the Nifty 50 chart. From this 2021 high, this was 18,604, which we had hit in the month of October 2021. We went into a pattern of lower highs and lower lows almost consistently for the last 7-8 months from the top formation over here. And this was the point where the Nifty had actually broken past about the lower tops and lower bottom formation, which means that this was the point of a start of a turnaround of a major downtrend for the index. And from here on, if you can sense that the index has been now forming a pattern of higher highs and higher lows for itself. And we've been managing to continue to ride this trend for the index at least over the last 2-3 months. We look at one more similar chart, and this is in 2010-11 for Maruti. Now, as you can see over here, again a very simple classical formation. I'm going with the more broader theme of lower tops and lower bottoms. Even if you look at it from this wave itself, the stock has been making a pattern of lower tops and lower bottoms. But this is a more of a broader and a bigger wave. This was the point of a turnaround. So this was the point where Maruti had managed to come back about the 1300 mark, break past about the previous high. This signaled the end of a downtrend and a start of an uptrend. And anyone who bought over here would probably have managed to ride the uptrend for Maruti from there on as well. So that's how we actually trade lower tops and lower bottoms, as well as spot the charts and manage to ride the trend.